Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LENOVO Yoga Tab 11. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one. I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, tap on OK. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Now go back to Android smartphone and click on all of those categories at the top. Then, to pick multiple files from your category, select those type of dots. You can also just click on the chosen files, in my case this photo, and when you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, you can do that by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide on Lenovo. Then click on While Using or Only this time and point your Lenovo's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key instead, click on Input Key section below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive button. So when I do that, I need to select the best options for my ads. In my case, no thanks, but you can always select I agree. Then tap on Close this window and as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!